Come learn what matters at MIT WPU.
Students, there are 5 schools under the Faculty of Science, like School of Computer Science, School of Mathematics and Statistics, School of Biology, School of Physics and School of Chemistry. So this science comprises of all domains of academics which provides the students undergraduate as post-graduation education. At Faculty of Science, we have School of Computer Science where we have different programs like BSc, we have MSc, MCA and MSc Data Analytics and Data Science. Like MSc Data Science and Big Data Analytics is the current demand of the industry, where there are various requirements in terms of data scientists in the current evolution of the industry. Along with computer science, we have School of Biology. We have a different program like MSc Industrial Polymer Chemistry, where the students who have graduated from the science background, especially chemistry, can have a different domain to explore themselves on this particular polymer chemistry, and there is a huge demand for these students in the rubber industry. Another program like MSc Photonics, where the students from engineering as well as from BSc Physics background, they can join this program where they have a lot of industry related experts who are there on the board who can give them the internship in electronic industry, and then the students are competent to apply for electronic industry along with the engineering students. We have a unique program in mathematics and statistics like BSc Computational Mathematics and Statistics. We have a regular MSc Mathematics and Statistics program where the students are getting good knowledge over the core statistics along with the application tools. For mathematics students, we have an internship for those who would like to go for education industry. So where the students can work hand in hand with the experts from the teaching faculty, where they can give the classroom session training in team teaching with their senior faculty members, so they get exposure for the teaching also. Students, we have an internship program for all our PG and UG program for Faculty of Science. This particular internship program is usually in the last trimester of the respective program. We have a tie-ups with the industry, and industry comes for the internships as well as placement related activity, and students are getting good packages for placements as well as for internship. So here you have a unique features for various program to explore at MIT World Peace University. So I welcome you all to MIT World Peace University. In the pandemic situation also, we have conducted all the courses online without missing any academic delivery, as my all faculty members are competent enough with lot of experience from their academic background as well as from the industry domain, where 20 plus years of industry experience in MNCs.